Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Monopoly Go, and if you're facing the issue regarding VPN airplane mode tutorial, which I will show you step by step. Right, so to fix this issue, first of all, you have to download a VPN. So you can just download a VPN. There's a lot of free VPN in the Google Play Store and App Store, right? And here, open the Google Play Store, search for the Proton VPN, right? And this is a paid, but it's also free for some period of time. But this is a good one. Launch the app after the installation. You can either create an account for continue as a guest, tap on Quick Connect, and you will be get into VPN. Your VPN will be activated. And for those who don't know what is a VPN is a virtual private network. Right, launch the game on your device, pull down the notification bar and tap the airplane mode icon. Swipe down from the top right or up from the bottom on older model and tap the airplane mode icon. Roll the dice in Monopoly Go. While in airplane mode, you can typically roll 1 to 2 times before encountering a no internet connecting message. Write down each number roll as you will use them later. Once you see the no internet connection message, you need to exit the game. Right, and once you exit the game here, you will, for the Android, close the app, clear the data by going to the settings, apps, Monopoly Go, storage, clear data. For the iOS, delete and reinstall the app by pressing and hold its icon and delete vehicle, then tap X to delete it. Now turn off your airplane mode, disable airplane mode on your device, reconnect to the internet, ensure you are connected to the Wi-Fi or cellular data which is working. Now restart your Monopoly Go, and this time it will be perfectly fine. This is it guys, no need to worry. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.